Bahn in Vietnamese means rolls or wraps, and one famous bahn created in North Vietnam is Bahn Cuon. It's rolled rice sheets filled with numerous umami ingredients dunked into a fish sauce. It was beautiful to see them being made on the streets of Hanoi. This doesn't look easy. So Miss Van is a master of making these rice pancakes, really. Can I have a go? Can I try? I had a go and I was, well, pathetic. Oh, no! Oh.
Đúng rồi.
And go, order on. One more.
Tại lúc đấy có bảo anh là đứng ngoài nhìn đi, anh không đứng nhìn.
Come on. The rolls would have been very plain if they weren't filled with ingredients like ground pork, minced mushrooms, and topped with crispy shallots and shrimp floss.
Pha nước sốt này thì phải có nước chấm, nước mắm này, đường này, bột ngọt này. Xong rồi thì khi ăn thì ta vắt thêm chanh này.
It was so tasty with the sourness of the lime and the heat from the chili. Dipping those little rice rolls in with the mushrooms and the pork, it was a proper full-on party in the mouth. I feel a surprise coming on. Miss Van then pulled out a bug. There's a glint in her. Hey! I think she thought she was going to shock me. Oh, here we go. There's that little gland. That smell it's almost juicy apple. It's absolutely mad. I'm going to dip. No, good. The difference with Miss Van was she actually eats the bugs, so she picks up the little pieces and sucks the flesh out. She doesn't just use the aroma.
Em có thể ăn được với căn cuốn này.
It just tastes like green apple. Really, really tasty.
Oh,
Hơi mặn.
it was such a crazy flavour. It's really weirdly like juicy apple.
Cái con cà cuống này chỉ ăn với bánh cuốn là hợp nhất. Tuyệt vời, cái nước bánh cuốn, nước chấm cà cuống.
Green apple bug. Not water beetle, green apple bug. The Vietnamese don't live on fish sauce alone. There is chung nip, known as the poor man's fish sauce. Made of fermented rice and soybeans, this sauce goes well with meat, and this restaurant specializes in the pairing of goat meat and chung nip. For several years now, this group of friends have been meeting monthly to play tennis, and post-match meals always bring them here. Goat meat and chung nip to replenish their energy. Apart from celebrations, chung nip is paired with simpler meals. For the Tay family, they have it daily with their rice, veg and tofu. So I'm going to do something a bit different with this tung nip kuda. Normally they just use it as a dipping sauce, but I'm going to potentially make a fool of myself by cooking with it. There's something in this that really reminds me of doenjang or miso, which my mum makes soups out of. A little bit of oil, a little bit of chopped garlic. Okay, I'm actually going to just chuck a load of this in, the Bahn Cuon, or the Morning Glory. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. Okay, nicely cooked down. Add a little bit of tofu to this. Again, this is actually more reminiscent of Korean food than Western food. Now for the sauce. This is where it could all go hideously wrong. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I have no idea if this changes characteristic once it's cooked. We're going to find out. Oh God, it is really potent. It is really, really potent, but it's good. That's a funny, almost parmesan flavour to it. I think miso and parmesan. Oh, that's tasty. Any smile? Is it okay?
Cũng được.
Yeah, it's good.
Cũng được. Nó cũng gần như món của Việt Nam mà.
Almost like a Vietnamese dish. Well, that is high praise. High praise indeed. Well, thank you very much for introducing me to your sauce. It's really delicious, both ways.
Cảm ơn Rob, nó làm món ngon thế.
Yeah?
Ngon.
You're gonna make it like this?
Được.